Welcome to Ask Mitch. I'm Mitchell Corman, the president of Mona Lisa Insurance and Financial Services, your business and personal guide to protecting what you already have while preparing for your future. Let's chat about auto insurance. We want it cheap and we love our cars and trucks, but I've never heard anybody say, I love paying my auto insurance. Heck, I'm an insurance agent. I don't like paying for auto insurance. But as an insurance agent, I've heard too many heartbreaking stories. It's just not worth the risk for me. I'm playing it smart with the right coverage, and though I still won't love paying for it, I'm faithfully writing that check. Most of these sad stories include phrases like, I wish I'd known that. I just didn't know. Nobody told me. I just wanted the cheapest. I never thought it happened to me. Well, the Ask Mitch videos are for you, so you will know, and if you're not sure or have a question not covered here, you're always welcome to Ask Mitch. Let's start off with a few of the Mona Lisa It's Good to Know smart basics. Auto insurance in Florida is not an option, it's mandatory. Auto insurance offers for $15 a month are requests for permission to junk email a never-ending stream of quotes. Funny, none are $15. Never renew without a review. Always shop your policy before renewing. You don't have to wait to change policies or switch companies. You are free to do that when you please. Some restrictions apply. Please ask Mitch. More to come. Visit our Ask Mitch section for more Mona Lisa It's Good to Know smart basics. Of course, I can share this with you because I have an advantage that most don't. I intimately understand the different coverages and how insurance works. I can also shop a ton of different insurance companies to find the best protection for me and my clients at the best price. This allows me to get the best price and avoid common mistakes for my personal auto insurance needs. And that's exactly how we take care of our clients. But if you're not a Mona Lisa client, should we keep it a secret or share it? The vote was unanimous. We're sharing. Okay, we've identified the insurance as mandatory in Florida, but that's not the reason why you want it. You want to protect that car you love so much, your property, and or your bank accounts. Accidents aren't cheap, and your auto insurance can be your bank account's best friend. In fact, it's kind of like having a separate savings account, just for accidents, as it pays for damages up to your coverage limits after deductibles. Of course, you want to make sure you have enough coverage in that account. And now for the answer to the question that's on everyone's mind at renewal time. Why are rates so high? I'll text you the answer, but not while I'm driving, because that's a known cause of accidents and one of the reasons rates are so high. Florida auto insurance rates are higher for a number of reasons related to higher risk factors. We have a very dense and diversified population, complete with a melting pot of particular driving habits from every corner of the planet, all trying to get along on the road. We've all experienced the result of that in our traffic adventures. More people naturally means more traffic, which increases the risk for accidents. The result, higher rates. We have an unusually high number of retirees, many of which find driving a bit more challenging. We have a large population of inexperienced young drivers who somehow manage to surf the internet, post on Facebook, check their Twitter and Instagram account, while weaving in and out of traffic at 87 miles per hour. Factor in the massive influx of tourists who are generally lost, oftentimes doing 8 miles per hour or worse, stopping in the middle of the road trying to find an address. And we haven't even touched on the impact of the no-fault auto insurance law, the increasing number of uninsured motorists and rampant fraud. With all these risk variables, do you think it makes insurance providers nervous? You bet. The result is higher rates to compensate. Now let's take a look and clarify the types of coverage you want to carefully consider when choosing what to incorporate into your protection strategy. Liability insurance covers you in the event that you are in a covered car accident and it is determined the accident is a result of your actions. Liability insurance will cover the cost of repairing any property damaged by an accident as well as the medical bills from resulting injuries. Collision insurance. If there is a covered accident, collision insurance will pay for the repairs to your car. If your car is totaled, where the cost to repair your car exceeds the value of the vehicle in an accident, collision coverage will pay the value of your car. Comprehensive coverage. What if something happens to your car that is unrelated to a covered accident? Weather damage. You hit a deer. Your car is stolen. Will your insurance company cover the loss? Liability insurance and collision insurance cover accidents, but not these situations. These situations are covered by comprehensive other than collision coverage. Personal injury protection. While comprehensive coverage may be something you don't need to purchase, personal injury protection is something you must have. Uninsured or underinsured motorist protection. While state laws mandate that all drivers should be insured, this is unfortunately not always the case. Another issue that can arise is that while a driver may have liability insurance, many states have relatively low minimum coverage requirements that may not be enough to cover all the expenses of an accident. So if someone is legally responsible for damages related to an accident, you won't receive any payment if they do not have coverage, or you will receive less than you need to cover the cost of damages if your damages exceed this coverage amount. This type of situation where uninsured or underinsured motorist protection would help with expenses. If you would like to learn more about auto insurance in Florida, please contact us at Mona Lisa Insurance and Financial Services at 800-804-2171 or email us at askmitch@monalisainsurance.com. It's very important to know what you have when you and your family need it most. Please visit our website for more information.